Welcome back to Jarrett the Journeyman, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse your ceiling fan direction. In the winter, you want your fan to run in a clockwise direction, which will push the warm air down and help with your electric bills. So what you need to do is get a step stool, make sure your fan is off, locate the direction button, flip your direction button opposite of what it is. Make sure your fan is stopped and slowed down. Now you can turn your fan back on. See that it's running in a clockwise direction. Thank you for viewing this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and as always, be safe out there.